Good morning, all. Sorry about the somewhat bad lighting, but it is early and we are hitting the road, pulling the bubble out, and we are driving to the highest point in West Virginia. Going to a kite fest, but more on that when we get there. For now, just enjoy the ride. And here's a quick introduction in case you're new around here and don't know who we are, but yeah, let's stay tuned for the highest point in West Virginia. Here we come.
Hi there, we're Matt and Stacy. We recently bought an off-grid property in beautiful West Virginia. We've been busy making this property our own little slice of paradise, adding in a few modern conveniences, having fun learning all of the construction trades, and converting a pole barn into our future home. This channel is about my passion for painting with a torch and wax, and about our passion for adventure and taking risks. Consider subscribing and join this creative community. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the video. And we're off on an adventure, making our way through tiny, small little towns in West Virginia, taking in the beautiful views and winding around some of these crazy roads.
Campers in tow. Road is below.
Where's the road?
Right there. It's in front of us. Roads, where we're going, we don't need no roads.
And while at times it was a little bumpy on the roads and on the camper, we have made it to our campsite, and boy, was it worth it. Just check this place out. We are staying at the Experience Learning Center, which is where the Kite Festival is happening. More on that tomorrow when we are actually attending the Kite Fest. For now, we're headed out on a short 6-mile hike on the Seneca Creek trail to Judy Springs. This is a relatively easy trail, kind of winds through the woods and along a river, the Seneca Creek River, I guess Creek, River, not sure. At any rate, hope you enjoy the hike. Say hi.
Hi.
All along this trail, there are these really cute little campsites right along the river. And if you are new to backpacking or want to perhaps get your kids into backpacking, I think this would be a great trail to do it on. And matter of fact, we saw several families with younger children hiking in, planning on spending a couple nights in this area. Really cute spots. And now, as promised, let's take you up to the highest point in West Virginia, Spruce Knob. This is a wonderful place to catch a beautiful sunset and a great way to end the day. We'll see you in the morning.
All right, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to zoom in, but from here, I think we can see our camper.
Good morning, all. We are going to fuel up on some breakfast here and then take you around and show you this beautiful place. Again, this is called Experienced Learning Center, and they are a non-profit organization committed to delivering high-quality outdoor programming as a tool to develop competence, confidence, and community for all people of all ages as a mechanism for positive change. And I will make sure to link them down below in the description. They offer so many different programs, different experiences to the public, and then also private groups. And as you can tell, this place is absolutely gorgeous. They have some hiking trails on site, and then they also are very, very, very close to the Spruce Knob area. And it's just absolutely stunning. Highly recommend. If you're in the area, check them out. Like I said, I will link them down below. Before the Kite Fest starts, however, we have time for one more hike. And this time we're going to go around the Spruce Knob Lake area. And now that the wind is picking up, it's time to head back to the camper and over to the Kite Festival. Let's go.
Here we go. Oh, with a gust of wind.
We had an amazing time at the Spruce Knob Kite Festival. It was a very relaxing afternoon. I even got to knit on a pair of socks. We flew some kites, of course, visited with friends, met some new friends, and just overall had a great time. Here are just a few images of the show. And before long, it was time to head back home. We will definitely be back next year. We had so much fun, and it was just a lovely place to camp at. At any rate, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It truly does help us out. Stay tuned for more West Virginia adventure videos coming your way. We have more plans this summer. In the meantime, if you're not subscribed, consider doing so, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again. Bye for now.